Here, this video introduces 3 best ways to tell you how to delete everything on your iPhone and provides detailed procedures for each way. Please watch them carefully. Part 1. How to back up your iPhone data before erasing everything. How to back up your iPhone data using iCloud. 1. Open iPhone, connect to Wi-Fi, ensure power. 2. In Settings, tap iCloud, confirm backup is on. 3. Click Backup Now to start data backup. How to backup iPhone data using iTunes. 1. Connect iPhone to computer via USB cable. 2. Open iTunes, auto detects iPhone. 3. Click iPhone icon, Backup Now to backup data. How to backup your iPhone data via Assistant for iOS. iCloud and iTunes can help you back up your iPhone data. But if you want to make everything is done according to your own needs, you'd better choose a professional iPhone data backup tool like Mobikin Assistant for iOS to help you make a backup. Just follow the guide below to back up data from iPhone to computer. Before deleting everything on your iPhone, Step 1. Connect your iPhone to PC. Step 2. Select the files you need. Step 3. Backup iPhone data to computer. Part 2. How to delete everything on iPhone permanently. To delete everything on iPhone permanently, you need to use Mobikin Eraser for iOS. It allows users to erase everything on iPhone completely without recovery. How to delete everything off your iPhone using Eraser for iOS. 1. Launch Eraser for iOS on computer. Connect iPhone via USB. 2. Choose a security level, low or medium or high. Confirm. 3. Type delete in the box. Hit erase to start process. Keep iPhone connected until done. Part 3. How to delete everything off iPhone with factory reset. 1. Unlock iPhone. Open Settings. 2. Scroll. Tap General. 3. Scroll. Choose Reset. 4. Tap Erase all content and settings. Enter password to confirm. Part 4. How to remove everything from iPhone remotely. 1. Log in iCloud on iPad or device. Find My iPhone shows map with all devices' locations. 2. Pick modes. Map route. Make device beep. 3. Activate lost mode. Add number. Message to lock screen. Erase iPhone to remove all data.